I down to sleep. Yeah, I pray to Lord my soul to keep. Yeah. I got the keys. Yeah. Pull up,
Hello guys, I'm Michael and this is Housen Sports Vehicle YouTube channel. This is a YouTube channel created on January 23. That's today. It's in the night now, where I'll be restoring a Honda CX500. Here is Honda CX500. I will soon be doing a ride video showing all of the bike and its status and its condition. It was bought very cheap by me for its worth and the fact that it's vintage. This is a toolkit I bought cheap for about 15 US dollars. Comes with sockets, metric and standard, with some ratchet angles and regular ratchet extension. This is very cheap for its worth and its use. Over here I got some spanners and tools. So I got a good amount of tools for the job, and I hope you continue watching. Please subscribe and like the video for more. And so my knowledge is going to be used on this motorcycle. As you hear in my voice, I'm a child. I'm 15 years old. I'm studying on automotive technology, and to reach the limits, that's my goal. As I say, I'll be working on it. I'll be recording all of this while I fix it. Right now, the things I have are located in a Ford RACER, an old one put down by a man. We got the gas tanks and stuff over there removed. Didn't get to remove. I didn't get to record that because I didn't create a YouTube channel yet. It's kind of a late start. Should have started earlier. Probably would be bigger, but still I'm gonna continue and build everything and create some right videos for good quality and use. And I hope you guys like and subscribe the video. I'm out.